3:16 p.m. Showers capable of producing tornadoes was located near Lockport or near Canton Hills, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Elgin, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Algonquin, Hunley, Geneva, Canton Hills, South Elgin, Newry Grove, Gilbert, West Dundee, Hampshire, Elbert, Barrington Hills, Fleet DeKalb, East Dundee, Wayne, Valley View, and Lily Lake. This includes Elgin Community College, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 45 and 56. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Forecast to occur in our listening area. Station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones to Winnebago. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 4:15 p.m. At 3:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Mile or near Wheaton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Carroll Stream and Glen Ellen around 3:45 p.m. Lombard, Glendale Heights, and Bloomingdale around 3:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Addison, Villa Park, Elmhurst, Roselle, Elk Grove Village, Bentonville, Wooddale, and Itasca. This includes College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Norton Arboretum, and Wheaton College, including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 128 and 130, Interstate 290 between mile markers 5 and 14, Interstate 355 between mile markers 23 and 30. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. for northeastern Kane County. Source. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 4:30 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Addison, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near O'Hare Airport, Elk Grove Village, and Franklin Park around 3:55 p.m. Schiller Park and Rosemont around 4 p.m. Arlington Heights, Des Plaines, Park Ridge, and Rolling Meadows around 4:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Palatine, Mount Prospect, Glenview, Niles, Morton Grove, Prospect Heights, Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, Northbrook, Winnetka, Northfield, Deerfield, and Glencoe. This includes Open Community College, including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 67 and 78, 26 and 35. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 4. Interstate 294 between mile markers 26 and 35. Owned zones, tornado warning. 1. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The tornado warning for northeastern King County will expire at 4 p.m. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, northwestern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, southwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 6:15 p.m. At 5:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Morocco, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lowell, Manteno, Moments, Morocco, Lake Village, Grand Park, St. Anne, Hopkins Park, Sun River Terrace, Beaverville, Donnerman, Schneider, and Sumava resorts. Including the following interstate: Interstate 57 between mile markers 323 and 324. This includes US 41 Dragway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ 81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast. Service in Chicago storm warning for east central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 6:45 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm radar indicated source, radar indicated exciting entry. Locations impacted include locations impacted include North Plano, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Oklahoma, Chicago, 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 Oklahoma, Round Point, Oklahoma, Round Point, New Island, Monster, New Island, Park Road, Dalton, and Park Road. The following interstate, including the following 57 between mile markers 336 mile markers 266 and 300 interstate 80 between mile markers 115 mile markers 100 interstate 94 between mile markers 94 between mile markers 64 between mile markers 94 between mile markers 88 interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 12 mile markers 88 interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 18 mile markers 88 interstate 65 between mile markers 200 mile markers 151 interstate 65 between mile markers 247 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Northwest Hammond, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Governors State University, Indiana Motor Speedway, Lake County Fairgrounds, Prairie State College, South Shore Railcat Baseball, and South Suburban College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Will Lake Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Will Lake Harbor to Michigan, located 13 nautical miles southwest of Gary, or 16 nautical miles south of Indiana Harbor, moving north at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe... Northwestern Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Durant, 9 miles west of Denver, northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Beloit and South Beloit around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Sherland and Harrison. Tree damage is in color now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Sturdy building. Avoid windows. Outdoors, in a mobile home. This is NWS Weather Radio. Westport G536 DeKalb. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our National Weather Broadcast will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. This is NWS Weather Radio. North G536 DeKalb. Severe weather is forecast to occur in our listening areas. National will broadcast severe weather on television to Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Kane, and Lee counties. Radar indicated broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. Those caught without shelter. The current time is 6:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Durant, 9 miles west of Rockford, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Vehicle, hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tornado warning from 8. Tornado warning from 8/24/221/5:26 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. CDT for Winnebago County. Take shelter immediately.
Tornado warning from 8/24/221/5:26 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. CDT for Winnebago County. Take shelter immediately.